Hi guys, Mr. Santos here. Let's continue from where we left off. You've already created your account and now you're here on the main page. Let me show you a few important things about this site. You can create folders to organize your documents, and you can also work on shared projects that other people share with you. Another helpful section is recently opened. If you've worked on hundreds or even thousands of projects, this tab makes it easy to find what you were working on last. Alright, let's begin. Click Create. Here you have two important options: create a new document or import files. Files you downloaded from the internet or created elsewhere and want to bring into Onshape. But today, we're learning how to create a new document. Give it a name, let's call this example Basic, and click Create. Your Onshape workspace will open, and you'll see the document name at the top. You can rename it anytime by clicking once on the name and editing it. Before we start any project, here's an important tip. Always think ahead about your design. Its dimensions, number of parts, colors, and overall plan. If you just jump into Onshape without a plan, you may waste time and end up restarting repeatedly. Planning first saves you a lot of frustration. Let's continue. In Onshape, everything begins in 2D. Then you extrude the 2D sketch to turn it into a 3D object. After that, you add features, and finally, you extrude or remove material from those features. Now let's look at the workspace. You can see three planes: the right plane, top plane, and front plane. When you move your mouse over a plane, it becomes pre-selected. Click once to select a plane, and click again to deselect it. You can hide or show any plane at any time. You can also zoom in and zoom out using your mouse wheel. If you right-click and drag, you can rotate the view. If you hold Control while right-clicking, you can pan left or right. If your view becomes confusing, click Isometric to reset it to a clean 3D angle. If you want to work directly on one plane, select it and click View, Normal to. This puts the plane directly in front of you. Now let's begin sketching. Click Sketch, then select the plane you want to work on. Let's use the top plane. You can hide the other planes to keep your workspace clean. If you want to cancel the sketch, simply click the red X. Once your sketch is active, give it a name. For example, Rectangle Sketch, and click the green check mark. Naming your sketches is important. When your project has 20 or 25 parts, names help you find and edit the right part quickly. To reopen a sketch, just double-click its name in the list. Let's look at the rectangle tools. You have three types. Corner rectangle starts from a corner. Center rectangle starts from the center and stays perfectly symmetrical. Three-point rectangle lets you create angled rectangles. A helpful tip: Ctrl plus Z always undoes your last action. Let's practice. Choose center rectangle, click at the origin, and drag outward. To set measurements, select the Dimension tool. Click a side of the rectangle, move your mouse, click again, and type the dimension you want. For example, you can enter 3, 2, or even type units like 9 centimeters. Onshape will automatically convert centimeters to inches. You can double-click any dimension later to change it. The same process works for circles. Create a circle, then use the Dimension tool to set its diameter. 1.5, 1.25, or any size you need. Now let's turn our 2D sketch into a 3D object. Click Extrude. Onshape will highlight the shapes from your sketch. Name this feature Extrude Rectangle, then click the green check mark to confirm. Right-click and rotate the view to see your new 3D object. If you need to update the sketch, just double-click it, edit the dimensions, and the 3D model will update instantly. Finally, let me show you how to cut a hole or remove material. Select Sketch, choose the face where you want the hole, and draw the shape, like a circle or rectangle. Then click Extrude, choose Remove Material, and Onshape will cut through the solid. And that's it. Thank you guys. See you in the next lesson.